Good morning, students. We were discussing about the United Nations formed in the year 1945 after the World War to maintain world peace. What are the achievements of the United Nations? The UN has been successful in maintaining peace in the world. The main motto, the main objective of the UN is to maintain peace in the world. Though there may be wars in different countries which you read or you learn about it from the news channels, but the UN take the initiative to stop the war. It has been successful in not having another world war. The peacekeeping force of the United Nations, it's an army maintained by the United Nations where the soldiers from different countries join in, and wherever they need, they are sent. Like in Afghanistan, you know the condition of Afghanistan is not good, and there are a lot of fractional war going within the country, and that country we have sent our peacekeeping force, and in that peacekeeping force there are soldiers from different nations which work together to bring the peace and harmony among the people in that country. Similarly, in other countries too, the peacekeeping forces were sent. Few years back, it was in Sri Lanka where there was a civil war going on, and the peacekeeping force did a wonderful job to bring and restore peace in the country. Children, it has been able to solve many international disputes. There are so many countries in this world. There will be disputes. Those disputes are tried to be solved amicably in this United Nations. They have the conferences, they have the sessions, debate, seminars and other meetings whereby these disputes are resolved. It favors disarmament. What is disarmament? That is without weapons. Weapons are not at all good. It brings destruction. So there may be many times you must have read that the countries have signed disarmament treaty, that we will not use any arms against each other, weapons against each other. Okay? It is also involved in peacekeeping operation, as I told you, not bringing war. The army is maintained to maintain peace, peacekeeping force, not for any war, or to show the power, to maintain peace and to help the people of that country to come back to their normal life. It makes effort to prevent misuse of destructive weapons like nuclear weapons. So in this way, many a times, many problems arises. The main objective of the UN is to see that the people in this world live happily, peacefully and amicably. Now other functions also they have done this. Many times we have studied that there are different UN agencies which work together to improve the health condition of the children, of the people, of the education and scientific development, they have worked for the workers so that they get their rights. They work for the agricultural and food products so that people get proper food. So in this, and even they regulate the financial transactions between different countries. The World Bank, the monetary, they give loans to different countries so that those countries which may be struggling for their financial crisis, they can come up. The United Nations children combat pandemic. This is very important nowadays, that the WHO, World Health Organization, working fighting, combating the pandemic leads the global response of the unprecedented COVID-19. So it was just beyond our imagination that such a disaster would attack the people. Provides food and assistance to 86.7 million people in 83 countries. Food and assistance. Many countries in this world, people are below. Number of people are below poverty line. They do not get proper food. Proper nourishment is not available. You must have seen many countries in Africa. They are struggling. People are starving. So those things, they are given food and proper nourishment, supply vaccine, not only for COVID, other vaccine also, like polio, against dreadful diseases like jaundice and many other diseases are there. Vaccine to 50% of the world's children helps to save 3 million lives a year, assist and protect 82.5 million people fleeing war, famine and persecution. You must have seen the war, the civil war going on in Syria. Many people in that country, to save their life, they are in danger. They ran away from that country and they have taken shelter in other countries. Maybe they have walked miles after miles, or they may be swimming in the seas and rivers to reach to the other countries. So all these things are being taken care of by the United Nations. Works with 196 nations to keep global temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius or to 3.6 degree Fahrenheit. So as you know about, you have studied about global warming. So the rise of temperature they take care of. So it should not rise too much and make our world hotter planet difficult to live in. Keeps peace with 95,000 peacekeepers. There is in that peacekeeping force, they have about 93,000 soldiers in 13 operations around the world. 13 countries they have undertaken the operation. Tackles the global water crisis after affecting over 2.2 billion people worldwide. Water crisis, an issue they have dealt with. Protects and promotes human rights globally and through 80 treaties and declarations. Human rights, the rights of the people, they look into that they are getting their basic rights, human rights, and also like the wages, they are getting, the people are getting their coordinates US billion 28.8 billion appeal for humanitarian needs of 108.8 million people. Many a times humanitarian needs in some countries, they are in need, maybe a disaster or maybe a civil war, so they need food, assistance, other basic items like medicines. Use diplomacy to prevent conflict, assist some 50 countries a year with the even election system, because some countries they face problem that vast country taking care of elections, so they help in electing democracy, restoring democracy in the country. Helps over 2 million women a month overcome pregnancy and childbirth complications. Even women are taken care of in their time of giving birth to babies, or the child when the baby is born, the complication, if there is any other problems, even the child who is born should get proper nourishment. All these things you can see the United Nations taking care of. Thank you.